This is the some form of transverse cut. This is the coronal cut of the brain going to the circulation of the inside part of the brain. What are the area? This is the corona radiation, corpus callosum, chordator nuclei, lentiform nuclei, internal capsule, and some form of basal ganglia, substantia nigra, substantia nigra. A lot of area, internal capsule, external capsule, some form of lateral insula also, the insula, and some form of thalami, thalami area, subthalami. This is the some little bit connection in this area. Now again, we have discussed the internal middle cerebral artery circulation supply, proximal part of the supply, this area, coronal radiation, corpus callosum, internal capsule, quadrator nuclei, lentiform nuclei. Lentiform nuclei also the divide two part, putamen and globus pallidum, the anterior, posterior globus pallidum and putamen. Internal capsule, the basal ganglia, substantia nigra, a lot of the marvelous area inside the brain damage to blocking of this circulation system. The middle cerebral artery give the proximal part of this point. Then we are talking about this point. What is the value and what's the work in this some form of small point? Coronal radiation is the give the sensory supply of the cortex area, and again back to the modify this motor supply and sensory supply with the basal ganglia, and this is the coronal radiation also damage the movement and sensation, also the some form of difficulties we can see. Then the corpus callosum connect the two cerebral hemisphere. The cerebral hemisphere, some form of we are doing some form of things, lot of coordinated movement inside the brain, and visual and reading and speaking and movement and thinking and intelligent, and a lot of the broadcasting and fast memory, and this all connect to the corpus callosum that damage this area. The lot of connection now breakdown, and this is the another problem. Quadrator nuclei and lentiform nuclei also the modify the activity and fine tuning of the activity, fine tuning of the work, fine tuning of the dance, fine tuning of the all vocabulary and other drawing, chatting, all of this thing damage. Then the internal capsule is the go downward, this signal and come upwards is sensory stimulation, go downward the motor and sensory, that's pathway also damage. Then we are talking about the substantia nigra and the basal ganglia also the dopamine reduction and motor pathway damage. Due to this reason, the middle cerebral artery damage person who are the patient, he having contralateral contralateral hemicide paralysis or contralateral sensory problem or contralateral visual hemianopia like visual problem or contralateral some form of function of the brain activity. Speak aphasia problem, the comprehensive aphasia or expressive aphasia problem or motor problem, the sequence of motor problem, color identification and gesture movement also the effect, or drawing or drawing and writing and face and equipment identification and space of the around area, that is also the damage. That's the brain intellectual function and motor function, both are damaged in this major medial middle cerebral artery occlude. Then we are going to talk about the most important point. Now they conclude this point. The middle cerebral artery proximal damage or distal damage. There are two several some form of divide area. The distal area, the middle cerebral artery divide the arterial supply major two part, superior arterial supply and inferior arterial supply. In this brain hemisphere, lateral portion, laterally we can identify this area. Temporal area and parietal area. This is the occipital and frontal. This lateral circulation give this area, the superior branch give the parietal region, inferior parietal region. This is the parietal area, inferior parietal area.